Hello children and welcome to today's online class. So children, I have already provided you the formula list of the chapter trigonometrical identities and tables. So you have to learn those formulas and you have to apply those formulas in the given question today. So let me discuss a question today. I have a question here children. Prove that cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A into sec square A is equal to tan A. So you have to prove. Prove means LHS is equal to RHS. That means LHS part and RHS part should be same. So you can see LHS is very lengthy, but RHS is just tan A. That means what you do, try to make this LHS as tan A, because tan A is in the RHS and LHS should be exactly equal to RHS. So let us try to make this LHS part, left hand side part, let us try to make it as tan A. So let me start my solution by writing LHS, and after writing LHS, let me write all the things given in the LHS, that is cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A into sec square A. Don't write equal to tan A. Equal to tan A is RHS. So I have written all the trigonometrical identities given in the left hand side. Okay. Now what you do, you just try to use those formula in which you can convert the identities either in sine or cos. Like sine and cos, you don't convert it, you keep it same. Sine and cos, you keep it same. But the other identities like cosec A, sec square A, these trigonometrical identities, you try to convert it either in sine or cos. So first of all you should think, is there any formula of cosec A which can become sin A? Yes, I have told you a formula, that is sin A equal to 1 by cosec A and cosec A equal to 1 by sin A. So I will try to use that formula, reciprocal formula, cosec A equal to 1 by sin A. So I wrote cosec A as 1 by sin A, and I have told you keep sin A same, that is same. Okay, next bracket same. Sec A, is there any conversion of sec A either in sine or cos? Yes, you have a formula, cos A equal to 1 by sec A and sec A equal to 1 by cos A. Children, one more clarification. I wrote the formulas in theta, but today I am speaking the same formula in A, because A is acute angle, theta is acute angle, so acute angle can change. Sometime it may be written as theta, sometime it might be written as A. So today it is written in A, no issue, but formula is same. Okay, so sec A I will write as 1 by cos A, and cos A I will not convert, I will write it same. Same thing, sec square A I will convert it as 1 by cos square A. Now sec A is 1 by cos A, but if there is square here, then you should use square here also. So sec square A is 1 by cos square A. So try to understand the meaning of this. No square here. There was a square, here also I have a square. Okay. Now do the LCM. Sin A and below this there is 1. 1 and sin A LCM is sin A. So my final result will be 1 minus sin square A. Sin A into sin A, sin square A. Same thing, the LCM will be cos A, and on the top I will have 1 minus cos square A. Okay, into 1 by cos square A. Children, Now come to formula number 1, which I had written yesterday. Sin square theta, I will write in the rough. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This was the formula. Children, 1 minus sin square a. Now whose formula is this? Point to be noted. If I make cos square theta alone, this sin square theta will go that side. It will become 1 minus sin square theta. Now you tell me, 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square a. Same thing. So this is formula of whose? Whose formula is this? It's a formula of cos square theta. So today same formula I will use here, and 1 minus sin square a will become cos square a, and below we have sin a. So this became formula as cos square a. Now same thing, 1 minus cos square a. Now from here only you try to make sin square theta alone. If you make sin square theta alone, cos square theta will go that side, and it will become 1 minus cos square theta. So now you see, children, same 1 minus cos square a, 1 minus cos square theta. Whose formula is this? Sin square theta. Same thing I will write, 1 minus cos square a is sin square a by, below is same, cos a, into 1 minus cos square a. Now children, they are in the multiplication form, so we can cancel them. Now very easy, children. This is cos square a, this is also cos square a. We can cancel. Here sin a and this is sin square a. So square will remove, only sin a will remain. So what is our final answer, children? Final answer is sin a by cos a. Children, look at yesterday's formula list, the second last formula, not second last formula, it is, I think, formula number 16. You see, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, sin a by cos a, sin theta by cos theta, sin a by cos a is equal to tan a. Now you see, children, what do we have in the RHS? We have tan a. What do we have now in the LHS? LHS also has become tan a. Now it is proved. So we can say, therefore RHS equal to tan a. So LHS is also tan a, RHS also is tan a. Finally LHS is equal to RHS, proved. So children, answer is already given in the question itself. Your duty is to prove it, and to prove you cannot randomly just prove. You have to use logic, and there should be correct formula also. So children, knowledge of formula is very important. Children, I hope you understood. Thank you, children.